MP barim ka Manipur u Lorho Pforze ha ka sngibar u la pyniasoh pura sha ka National People's Party ha ka jingalang ka blalong ha apistamai jong ka party ka badan ha shillong. Yau new MP barim la padiang sobha do National President ka party Conrad M Sama ringkat ka jingdon lang State President ba Preston Tensang kumju MLA na ka jila Manipur na lor kinong yalam ka party na ka jila. Nakalyang National President ba Deiru Menteri Rang ba Jilla ula penpau ke jingkeman ka bakrau ba uniu nong yalam bakrau na ka Jilla Manipur ula wan ban pyniasoh sya ka party. Uang ru ba kani ke rap ya ka party ba kin pen kreab ha wan na ka benta ka election MLA ka banlong ha usnam arja arpnyo ha ka te ke Jilla.
Lorho Pforze is not just a political leader, but I should say he's a very close friend. We have been associated for quite some time, and I've seen him in Parliament. I've seen him in the politics of Manipur, especially in outer Manipur areas, and I've really, been a person who's very fond of him, I should say. And I'm sure when you heard him speak, I'm sure you also felt the same thing. That he spoke from the heart. He's very, very genuine and very, very transparent person. And I think the biggest quality that Mr. Lorho has, is that he is a figure, especially in a state like Manipur, which has got even more complicated, communities and different, you can say, situations that are there compared to any other state in the Northeast. He is a person who is widely acceptable by all communities in all across the state of Manipur, and that I think is his biggest quality. And there's a reason why he is acceptable, is because he is somebody who is, as I mentioned, very, very transparent, a person who is very genuine in what he does. And people have a lot of trust and a lot of faith in him. I'm sure that in the elections, if he had been given a ticket, I'm sure he would have won. But the NPF at that point in time decided, in their wisdom, to not give ticket to him, and they gave it to somebody else. But that's the past, and here we are at the receiving end in one way, that we are getting the outcome of the decision that had been taken earlier. And as I said, I have respect for the party in which Dr. Lorho was before, and now he is with us. NPF leaders also are very close to me, and we have communicated also with everybody that Dr. Lorho wishes to join us. And as I said, this is a big political impact in the state of Manipur, which we will see, because 2027 is the elections there in Manipur, and our team in Manipur is preparing very, very hard, realizing the overall opportunities and the kind of vacuum that is there in the state of Manipur right now as we speak. The contributions of every individual will matter, and I'm sure that Mr. Lorho will have a very, very important role to play in the overall politics of Manipur. And once again, I, on behalf of the family of the National People's Party, would like to take this opportunity to welcome him to the family of the National People's Party. I also would like to stress again on the fact which was mentioned by Mr. Lorho, that the National People's Party has been able to today establish itself in spite of multiple challenges all across and continuous hurdles coming our way. We have been able to reach to this level, and I'm sure that we will move further with the trust and participation of the public at large, and of course with leaders from all over the Northeast, seeing the National People's Party as one of the best alternatives, or rather I should say maybe the only alternative that could become the actual platform where the people of the Northeast in general could come together and get the necessary numbers and the voice to be able to carry the issues of the Northeast all the way, in the parliament.